It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. So my Halloween video today is actually going to be the Lush kitchen. So I just subscribed to this for October. My first time getting Lush kitchen. It is a subscription box. It is $49.95 per month. And then you pay shipping on top of that. So I'm going to see if it's worth it, if I like it. I think I'm going to do it for October, November, December, and then decide in January if I want to keep it. So this is the Halloween box, and the first thing I got is a cute little Halloween pin that says Lush. That's super cute. And then I also got a card that says Ready, Set, Find, Hex. And the card says, cauldrons, pumpkins, and ghostly chimes, can you find Hex in record time? And there's a whole little thing that goes along with it. Super cute little card, but I'm going to dig in to the box. So the bad thing about Lush sometimes is everything is dusty because they don't package everything in plastic. I have a love-hate relationship with that, but it's a little dusty. I got this cute little Lush notebook. So that's nice. I didn't realize you got actual stuff like the pin in the notebook. So I think what's making a big mess is, check it out, the Spiderweb bath bomb. I'm not sure what scent that is. I'm trying to see if I get a packing slip in here. I think I do. Oh, I did. Okay, so this is going to make a lot more sense. I got the Cobweb bath bomb. It looks like it has lavender, chamomile, and olibanum oil. It doesn't smell bad. It actually smells pretty good. I do get the lavender now. So it's cute little spider web. So I got that. And then I also got, is this everything on here? I think you get 1, 2, 3, 4, you get 6 products with the book. I don't know. We got to figure this out. I don't know if this is worth $49. We're going to find out. I got a potion body lotion. This is rose and nourishing almond oil. I like the packaging a lot on this. This is super cute. Let me open this up. It is, oh, it's leaking. Oh my goodness, you guys. It is leaking. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is not. Sometimes you get a little bit of leakage here. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. It's definitely rose. So I would call this rose and almond oil. I like the almond oil. You know how I feel about rose. I'm not sure I like rose for Halloween. I also got a larger Ghost kitchen exclusive shower gel. I love the packaging on this. This is super cute. This one is white lily infusion, jasmine, and rose. Again with the floral. Oh no. This one is not leaking, by the way, but it's definitely going to be a floral. Oh my goodness, this is floral. I think my mom and my daughter might like this. This is a really, really rich floral. I like it though because it's all like pearlized shade. It's pretty. I'll have to say it's pretty, but it's definitely floral. I would have much rather preferred something like pumpkin. So what else do we have in here? Oh my gosh, we have a larger bath bomb. Check this out. Oh my gosh, this is a bath bomb or a bubble bar? No, this is a, hard to tell. It's a bubble bar. Mean Green Mother from Outer Space. Oh my gosh, you guys! The Mean Green Mother from Outer Space. We all know what this is from. Little Shop of Horrors, and it's the plant. It is the plant from Little Shop of Horrors. This is definitely citrus. Super cute. I like this the best so far. I love the bubble bars too. Oh my gosh, I will definitely be using that. Little Shop of Horrors is like my favorite movie in terms of like musicals. I love Steve Martin in that movie. He was so funny. Okay, I also got this little guy. Check this one out. This one is called the Banana Ghost. I don't know if that smells like banana, you guys. I get a little banana. I don't know. I don't know if I'm getting full on banana here, but it's cute. It's a shower bomb. So what you're supposed to do with this is put it in the bottom of the shower, you run the water, and then you get this wonderful scent. It could be banana. It's not like full on banana. I think there's other stuff going on in there. Okay, so we got that, and then is there anything else in here? I'm digging through. So we got 4 bath products. I'm supposed to, the shower gel. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's 5 things. Plus we got little notebook, and then we got the pin. So the question is this a good deal? Where is my calculator? So we basically got 5 products. So say 49.95 plus, I don't know what the shipping was. Let's say it was like $7. I'm guessing like 7. Divided by 5, it's like $11.39 per product. Not a bad deal for Lush. The weird thing is you're not getting exactly like what you want. You know, it's not like custom, but I'll give them credit for cute. I think it's adorable. I'm going to keep going on Lush Kitchen. I'm going to try November and December, see if we get some fun Christmas stuff. I think the best, you know, value obviously is the shower gel. I just wish it was pumpkin and not floral. So I'm excited. I like my I like my little Shop of Horrors bubble bar, but it's cute. I'll just say it's cute. So that is my first Lush Kitchen. Let me know what you guys think. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.